Hi friends, welcome to Insurance Decode, and in this video, friend, I will tell you that who shall not take Saral Jeevan Bima. Friends, this Saral Jeevan Bima was launched as a standardized term insurance plan on 1st January 2021, and there are certain conditions and there are certain parameters. If you want those parameters, then this Saral Jeevan Bima policy is not for you. What are there those parameters and who shall not apply for it, I will tell you, and on the basis of that you can make your decision. So before go jumping to the conclusion, we shall first see the features of the Saral Jeevan Bima. Friends, this is a pure term risk term plan and non-linked term insurance policy. As usual, the term in this policy, the terms and conditions, inclusion and exclusions are standard. That means if you are buying the policy from HDFC, or if you are buying the policy from Kotak, or if you are buying the policy from Edelweiss, everywhere the terms and condition, inclusion and exclusions will be similar. Similarly, the policy wordings will be similar across all the insurance companies. So once you have read the insurance policy of one insurance company, you will not need to read the insurance policy wordings from all different insurance companies. The only differentiating factor here will be the brand name of the insurance company and the premium charged by the insurance companies. You may be having different preferences for the brand. Some people would be liking the LIC, the others will be liking HDFC. People will be there who will be liking India First or maybe Edelweiss. So depending on your requirement or your brand preference, there will be the differentiating, that will be the differentiating factor. And other differentiating factor will be premium of the policy, which will be differentiating from company to company. So now you will be asking that if these are the conditions, then who shall not take it? Because it is attractive to all, it fulfills the need, then why people shall not take this policy? Friends, you can take this policy, but there are certain conditions in this policy. If you do not want those conditions, then you shall not buy this policy. Now, what are those conditions if you do not want? Like if you want a bigger sum assured, there may be a time when we want a bigger sum assured like 50 lakh or 1 crore, then this policy is not for us, because Saral Jeevan gives us the maximum sum assured is up to 25 lakh rupees, which is very less. And the other condition is if you are working in an organized sector where you have the income proof, where your income is higher, in that case you can go for the larger sum assured, where the proportionate the premium will be lower than this the premium they will be charging under Saral Jeevan policy. And the third condition is that if you want to avail riders like critical illness rider or premium waiver rider or money back rider, then you shall not go with Saral Jeevan, because Saral Jeevan gives you only accidental rider and disability rider. Whereas you may be having different kind of requirements, like there would be people uh, who would be requiring to take this critical illness rider. There would be people who want the premium waiver rider and money back rider. So in if you go with the different term insurance policies, you may be having different riders, and the policy may be customized according to your need, which is not available in Saral Jeevan, which is a standard policy across all the insurance companies. And the next condition is if you want the longer policy term, because Saral Jeevan gives you the maximum sum assured, maximum policy coverage up to 70 years of age. So if you go with the private insurance companies, there would be certain insurance companies which will be covering you up to 100 years of age or 99 years of age. So if your intention is to take the longer coverage, then the Saral Jeevan policy is not for you. You may shift to other term insurance plans. Other condition, if you want a shorter policy, it is not necessary that everybody seeks for the longer term plans. There would be people who need the shorter term plans like 5 years or 10 years, 6 years or 7 years. In that case, Saral Jeevan is not for you, because in Saral Jeevan you have to take minimum policy for up to 10 years. So if you want shorter term policy, then this Saral Jeevan policy is not for you. Next condition is if you want to opt for single premium or limited premium option. There are people who want that they can make the premium in one lump sum, and thereafter they want they do not want to make a regular premiums, and there would be people who would want the limited premiums, like for the 10 years they want to pay, or there would be people who want to pay the premium for 5 years. But this is not the case in Saral Jeevan, wherein you have to provide the regular premium for that policy term. So if you have taken the policy for 10 years, then you will have to pay the premium for 10 years. And if you have taken the policy for 25 years, then you will have to pay the premium for 25 years. So these are the certain conditions which our research team have found, that if you are following these conditions, then the Saral Jeevan policy is not for you. I hope this video, you have liked this video, and please thanks for watching, and don't forget to like our video. And if you are not subscriber to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. We want to grow our channel, and we want your support, and your support and association with our channel will definitely grow it up. And we will be making very good videos on insurance, which will be helping you a lot in learning the insurance. And in we our motive is to decode the insurance, because the insurance is a complex subject, and it needs an easy explanation so that everybody can understand what the insurance is. So the prime focus of our channel will be to decode the insurance in such an easy way that everybody can understand this difficult subject. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.